Hey business owners, I have a question for you. How you can save your time by automating your campaign leads interaction in CRM? So let's say there are thousands of leads in your campaign and some are bounces, some are replying, some are not interested, some are interested. Are you doing that manually, updating your CRM like this lead is interested, this is not interested? How can you automate that? So just watch me. I am going to create a creative automation that will automate your campaign and your CRM. I will be using Smartlead and the CRM will be close, but you can use any of your tool like Instantly, Replies, and for CRM it can be Pipedrive, HubSpot, Salesforce. So you can use any of those. So watch me and create this automation for you. And if you need my help, just ping me on my WhatsApp number. So yeah. Okay, so I generated a picture through OpenAI, which is explaining all the aspects which we are going to create in the automation. So we are automating Smartlead and Close CRM in this video. So we will use the webhook because we want to fetch the new reply data from Smartlead. We will create the webhook in Mig.com and we will add that webhook address in the Smartlead webhooks portion. And then we will pass the data of that lead who did reply, and then we will update that in Close CRM. So we have make.com opened here. The first module or the trigger will be definitely webhooks. You can search it here or directly click on this, and we'll need to use this one, custom webhook triggers when webhook receives data. Triggers when webhook receives data. So we will click on this and we need to add a new webhook here, and we can name it anything, and I will hit save, and it will give us a URL that we can copy, and then we need to go in the Smartlead where we can add the webhook. You can open the webhook portion by clicking on this icon, the profile icon, and click on the settings, and in the settings on the left menu you can see the webhook, and then you just have to hit add webhook. You have to name it like Smartlead to close video, let's say. So I will add the webhook URL here. So it will be connected with make.com. This link will be the main link where the Smartlead will be sending the data. Which data it will be sending? The event type that we will select here. So we just have to select any of the event that we need the data from. For now, we need the data from email reply. So if someone will reply, the data will be sent on this webhook URL. And it is set to account level, not on a single campaign. So overall campaigns under that account. So I will add this and continue anyway. It says like there are multiple webhooks with this name, so no worries. We have the webhook attached in Smartlead, and whenever there is a reply, we will have data in this webhook webhook module. And then we have to use the Smartlead search lead module because we will be checking like if the lead is already available in Close or not. If it is available, then we will just update the lead with the status like there is a positive reply or this is a negative reply or bounce or something like that. And if the lead is not available, it will create the lead and update the status. So we just have to write here Close or just select the Close from here, search leads, and here we need to map the email ID from the previous webhook URL. I don't have the webhook running right now, but I have created this automation already, so I can show you how we map the data. So you can see here we just map the email that is coming from webhook URL 1.sl lead email. So this is the webhook and we mapped it here. So it will give us the data, and then we have two branches. The first branch will be checking if the bundles mean the leads equals to 0 found from second step. That means there is no lead available in Close on that email ID that who did reply. So it will go in the first branch and create a lead definitely and update the status as well. And if there is a lead, the filter will check like if the bundle equals to 1, that means there is a lead, so it should be update the lead then in that case. Let's go with the create a lead first. We have a ChatGPT step here first to analyze the reply. So we gave him a prompt with the help of ChatGPT and with my sense as well. But yeah, it is checking like you are an email reply classification engine for a CRM automation system. It is checking basically it is the reply is positive, neutral, negative, bounce, or meeting booked. And then we map the email reply coming from the webhook where it will be. So this ChatGPT will be analyzing the email and giving us the data like if it is positive, negative, or something like that. Then we will be parsing JSON coming from ChatGPT and we map the JSON here. So if the reply from ChatGPT is positive, so that means the lead is qualified. If it is negative, that means it is disqualified. And similarly for neutral or someone booked a meeting, then it is opportunity. So it will create a lead, and also it will update the status here as well. So if we check into this, we are updating the name, the email ID we are creating basically. So that's why, and we are changing the status to opportunity because this was for meeting booked. And similarly in the branch below, we will just be updating the lead, so we don't need the name and other stuff. We just need the lead ID. Go to this lead and update the status. So status is warm, this lead is warm because it did replied, and the status is qualified. So just follow this automation, create this exactly. If you need any help, you can just ping me on my WhatsApp number or on my Gmail ID. I will be there to help you. If you want me to create any automation for you, I will be definitely creating it for you. So see you soon in the next video. Bye bye.